guys. Welcome to Cure Camp DC. Next 2 days, we're going to learn about breaking down whole hogs.
I'm going to break down this whole pig. All I need is a 6-inch knife.
The butchering was amazing.
Michael, Sullivan, Sully, and TC were amazing.
We're going to learn about curing, sausage making.
I really enjoy the way the fermentation and make nice sausage.
Tomorrow is going to be a bigger focus on beef.
So when I'm cutting these, I'm going to come right into that joint right there.
Dry aging, breaking down a whole 103.
We wanted to do something really special and host Cure Camp.
I'm really excited about having Cure Camp here, one of our launch events.
This is the most amazing experience that I've ever seen with culinary.
I've been to two, and I'm planning to go more.
Man, this is an event that you have to put on your calendar.
So don't go just once, go as many times as you can.
I'm looking for the next one.